Hello students, today we are going to discuss two more concepts related to mathematical logic, and they are quantifiers and quantified statements. These concepts are related to open sentences. You must be recalling that open sentences are not statements in logic. Now the term quantifier that we are going to study today is related to open sentences because quantifiers are used to convert an open sentence into a logical statement. There are two types of quantifiers. Now first one is universal quantifier. See the symbol of that, and it stands for all values of. Second one is existential quantifier. See the symbol, and it stands for there exists. Now we will see the next concept, the quantified statement. Now we will see the definition of that. An open sentence with a quantifier becomes a statement and is called as quantified statement. We will see following examples to make it more clear. Now example, the open sentence is given x plus 5 is equal to 8. Now with the use of quantifier, if you use the quantifier there exists, x belongs to n. Here capital N stands for set of natural number such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. So there exists quantifier is used, and so this is the quantified statement. Now next, if we use another quantifier, that is universal quantifier, that is for all x belongs to n such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. Now this is also a quantified statement, and the truth value of this statement is false. So quantified statement is a statement in logic. Now let us see some more examples. Question number 1. Use quantifiers to convert each of the following open sentences defined on capital N into a true statement. Means we have given the open sentences defined on natural number, and we have to convert it into a true statement, means true quantified statement. So let us see one example. If x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now this is an open sentence which is defined on natural number. Now we have to use the proper quantifier here so that it becomes a true statement. So here we use there exists x belongs to n such that x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. There exists means it stands for there are some natural number such that x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So the truth value of this is true. Okay. Now see another example. N square greater than or equal to 1. If you use the quantifier here for natural number, then we know that for all n belongs to n, n square greater than or equal to 1. So for every natural number, the square of every natural number is always greater than or equal to 1. So obviously this statement is a true statement. Now question number 2. If the set B contains the elements 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, determine the truth value of the following quantified statements. So here quantified statements are given to you, and depending on the set B which contains the elements 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we have to write the truth value of the given quantified statements. Now let us see first one. For all x belongs to B, x is a prime number. For all means for every element of the set B, means value of x is for every element in the set B, x is a prime number. So it is not possible. So truth value is f, because 6 is not a prime number here. Okay. Now next one. There exists x belongs to B such that x plus 6 greater than 12. So we have to find out such x, that x plus 6 is greater than 12. Here the 7 is the number in that set, such that 7 plus 6 is equal to 13 and it is greater than 12. So there exists a number 7 such that x plus 6 is greater than 12. So the truth value of this statement is true. Now another example. For all y belongs to B such that y square is negative, means for every element in the set B, the square of that every element is negative. So it is not possible. It is very clear that it is not possible here. So the truth value of the statement is false. So today we have discussed the concepts quantifiers and quantified statements. I hope you have understood them very well. In case of any queries, feel free to communicate with me. As usual, there is an exercise for you. For that, refer to the PDF file sent on WhatsApp group. Thank you.